So we just got into Ribfest, and first thing they hand us, something for heartburn. What are they trying to tell us? Why? It's a sign to turn back. We need to turn back now. But we're still walking because we like our ribs. So far, it's pretty busy, not as busy. Last year was like shoulder to shoulder, so it's less busy. Have some rib options, and I'm gonna get roasted sweet corn on the cob because it's so good. And over here, all the toppings that you can put on it. Yummy! So they dip it in butter, and that's what makes it delicious. Here with Brit and Liam, enjoying a day at Ribfest. It's kind of gloomy, but as long as it doesn't rain, we're all good. Masterpieces. But Brittany's right, a little cheesy on the cheese curds.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's about. No, you have the first bite. Is it good? Yeah. So we have options. Which one should we go to? Best pulled pork last year. Krabby's BBQ Shack it is. Sorry guys. Good competition though. Alright, so these guys have the best chicken, best ribs and chicken, best rib sauce. I think they picked a good one. And how cute is this little piggy? So adorable. And you know, they have a bunch of trophies, so that can't possibly be a bad thing. Okay.
2, 1.
Paper.
Scissors.
You win. So which one is it? You didn't even decide.
Bridge.
Lemonade. So I've realized this is basically turned into one huge eating video, but it's Ribfest, so that's just how it's gonna be, I guess. And this lemonade is delicious. Tips for tuition. Here we have the famous fair food bloomin' onion, and the line is no joke. Keeps going insane. So a bunch of yummy more food over here, and we're heading into the carnival area.
Let's try to win that bike right there.
Easy.
This is the biggest roller coaster I've ever seen. Look at this terrifying drop. Like, I would never be able to go on. And the scary dragon, it's just too much. This drop though, most crazy drop I've ever seen. Got the Ferris wheel going. And then the strawberries, I used to always go on the spinning strawberries as a kid. Love those.
It's sweetened with honey. But we have an unsweetened green tea that has 0 sugar. I'll have the lemon.
So we came at a great time because the line to get in is ridiculous. by trekking up a mountain. It's gonna be nice views though from the top. So we made it up the mountain. I'm out of breath. The line's gotten longer, look at that. Oh my goodness. And it's packed in there. Woo. Look at that line though, it just keeps getting longer and longer. Oh my god. Nice views though, nice views. Very scenic. So this is where I used to run track and field when I was in middle school and high school. And then we would go here for relay races as well. Good memories. So we have 3 hours to kill, so we decided to go on a nature hike. Come on! Woo! Killing it. This is the oldest machine of life. Ended up at the batting cages. Killing some time before the fireworks. Woo! Woo!
There you go.
Was that one or that one?
Nice.
I keep hitting it up too high. I need to
Courtney,
stop hitting it upward.
You're a slugger.
I missed
Bad
that.
pitch.
I went in for that one, man. Yeah, bad pitch. Woo! It does hurt the wrist. Oh my god.
Oh my god, yeah.
What was that?
What is that?
Oh.
Bad pitch.
What? Oh, I thought it was another.
Jesus Christ. Nicola.
Okay, this one's gonna be my homework.
Oh,
You're
just
gonna back up.
You almost walked into that.
I
That's
got
supposed
an
to be my
action
homework.
shot.
There you go.
Okay, this one's gonna be the one.
Blue Jays tryout.
It hurts. Shit!
That almost hit Brittany.
This is a dangerous sport. So we just re-entered and this is what it looks like now. So busy. Okay, so we went at the perfect time because look at these lines. So that's the rib booths and lines go all the way back here. Crazy!
Pepperoni, bacon, and sausage on there. Can I get you one as well?
Sure.
So we have our thin multi-grain crust of seasoned chicken, tomatoes, and peppers.
Thank you.
Help yourself with some coupons as well.
Free samples.
These are thin crust Canadian by Dr. Ocker Giuseppe Pizzeria, guys.
So we got some more food, a funnel cake, necessary. It looks so good. Look at that. From this beautiful park here, first got one too. What'd you get?
She gave me 2 forks because she thinks I'm sharing.
Oh, it's okay. Just pretend someone's with you.
Or is one a knife? No.
Both works. Okay, so we got our funnel cake, got our seats right near the fireworks. Super excited. Brittany's funnel cake attacked her and got like powder all over her shirt, but she cleaned it up. All good
better
now.
now.
All good now. And I ran into my friend Giovanni. That was so exciting. I used to like work with him. Great guy. Can't wait to hang out again. And yes, it's a nice sunset going on here. Very pretty. And the fireworks should start soon. This little guy keeps going on my foot. Shoot! 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 Ha ha ha!